Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup audio recordings to Pro Tools. Start by opening Pro Tools on your computer. Create a new session or open an existing one. Once your session is loaded, navigate to the audio recordings you wish to backup. Select a location on your hard drive where you want to store your backup files. It's essential to create a dedicated folder for audio backups to maintain organization. Consider naming your folder with the project name and date to ensure easy identification later. Within the project folder, establish a subfolder specifically for audio recordings. Now, gather all the audio files you intend to backup. Highlight the files you want to export by clicking on them while holding down the Command key on Mac or Control key on Windows. Drag the selected files into the designated audio backup folder you've just created. When prompted, choose to copy the files instead of moving them if you want to keep the originals intact. As an alternative, you can use the Pro Tools import function to bring in audio files directly. To do this, go to the File menu and select Import followed by Audio. Locate your audio files in the browser window that appears to import selected files. Make sure to check the box next to Copy to ensure the imported audio is backed up in your selected folder. Have a consistent naming convention for your audio files to make future searches easier. A good practice is to include the date, a brief description, and take number in the file name. Once all files are named properly, save your Pro Tools session. Regularly backup your audio recordings to avoid data loss. Consider using cloud storage or external drives for extra redundancy. Maintain a habit of backing up your recordings after each session. Review your backup process occasionally to ensure it meets your needs. Organizing your files and maintaining a clear naming structure will streamline your workflow. With these steps, you will effectively backup your audio recordings in Pro Tools with a robust naming system. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.